Activating a Visa gift card for online purchases is a simple process, and today I'll guide you through it. When you purchase a Visa gift card, you'll typically find a link and a specific number printed on the back of the card. Here's what you need to do. Visit the link provided on the back of the card. This will usually direct you to a website where you can activate the card. Once on the activation website, you'll be prompted to register the card with your name, address, and possibly the barcode number found on the card. If the website requests the barcode number, ensure to enter it accurately. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once completed, your Visa gift card will be activated and ready for use. You can now use the activated card to make online purchases with ease. By following these steps, you can quickly activate your Visa gift card for online purchases, providing you with a convenient and versatile payment option.